students. Here we continue our third theme, that is France abolished the monarchy and becomes republic. And the last class we had discussed that the France drafted a new constitution for the country. And at last Louis XVI he signed the constitution and he agreed a secret alliance with the country of Prussia. And most of the developing countries, most of the neighboring countries of the France, they were feared that the development that had taken place in France, and all of the neighboring countries, they would try to send their military troops to suppress the revolutionary development changes in France. Before that, the National Assembly in the year 1792 declared a war against Austria and Prussia. And many of the people, they were joined this army, and they was sang a patriotic song, that was the song of Marseillaise, and it was composed by Roger de Asle, and this song became the national anthem of France. The Revolutionary Wars brought a lot of economic difficulties in France and to the people. In the society of France, majority of the men, they were participated in wars, and the women, they were look after the family and their children. And majority of the people, they felt that the Revolutionary War have continued to get, or to France need a republic, or they want to free from the monarchic administration. During this time, majority of lot of organization or clubs were formulated, and these clubs were discuss the government policies to form their own actions. At that time, one of the famous club, that was Jacobean clubs. We already discussed that only richer section of the France, they only have the voting right, and the people started war or continuous struggle, a revolutionary struggle against the monarch and his administration. And during that time, we discussed that lot of clubs were emerged, and one of the famous club, that was the Jacobean clubs, and it got the name after it was formulated by Saint Jacob in Paris. And many of the men and women were the active members of the Jacobean clubs. And the member of the Jacobean clubs usually belonging to the less prosperous sections of the society. That means the lower section of the people. Those people, they have not enough income or adequate income. These people, they were the members of the Jacobean clubs. And this include the people included in the Jacobean clubs are the shopkeepers, artisans such as shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, etc. And the leader of the Jacobean club was Maximilian Robespierre. The leader of Jacobean club, that is Maximilian Robespierre. And the members of the Jacobean clubs have a special dress code, that is a long strip trousers similar to those worn by dock workers. This dress code is in a strip trousers, and this was themselves a part of the fashionable sections of the society. Especially nobles people, they wore the knee breeches. That means മുട്ടുവരെയുള്ള ഡ്രസ്സ് ആണ് നോബിൾ സെക്ഷൻ ധരിച്ചത്. And this was also worn by these Jacobean club members. They were also known as sans-culottes. The sans-culottes, which means those without knee breeches, and they have addition of the men, they have addition of the red cap, that is a symbolized liberty, but women however not have the rule to wear the cap. The Jacobeans people, they were the revolutionary people. They were attacked the king of Tuileries and massacred the king gods and held the king himself as a hostage for long years. And later the National Assembly decided to vote to imprison the royal family members. And then the National Assembly granted those people, all men of 21 years above, regardless of wealth, caste or their noble privileges, they got the right to vote. A newly National Assembly was formed. The new National Assembly was named as Convention. And on 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France as a republic. As a part of revolutionary struggles of Jacobean clubs, at last a new assembly was formulated, and those men who completed 21 years old, they have the voting right regardless of their wealth. And 21st September in 1792, the France became declared as a republic, and this is a form their own government. People elect their representatives. At last, the Louis XVI, the king of monarch, death by court on the charge of treason. That means Rajyadroha Kutam. At last, the same fate have his wife, that is Queen Maria Antoinette. Hi students, we move on the next topic, that is Reign of Terror. And the period from 1793 to 1794 is regarded as the period of Reign of Terror. Reign of Terror means it's a period of terror or terrific, because this period was ruled by Maximilian Robespierre. Those people, they were against the Republic of France, who considered became the enemies of France. And the people there were the nobles and members of other political parties, and even the members of Jacobean clubs. Some of them were against the principle or the method of Robespierre, and he followed the method of severe control and punishment. Those people, they were considered as enemies. The court arrested them, and if the court found the person is guilty, they were guillotined. Guillotined means a guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and blades which a person beheaded. That means those were the enemies. He became guillotined by the court. This was the method followed by Maximilian Robespierre. During the time of Robespierre, there was a lot of revolutionary changes that was happened in France. That was meat and bread were rationed to all of the people. Ration means all of them get the meat and bread. And the peasants were forced to sell their products, crops in markets according to the price that was fixed by the government. And the use of more white bread is there, that was abandoned, or that's stopped by the government. And all the citizens are required to eat the pain of the equality. That means equality of bread. That means all of them considered equal. And loaf of wheat is made, and loaf made of wheat. And equality was also sought to be practiced through the preachers also. That means usually in a traditional case, the people those who were higher class were called it is a monsieur or sir or madam, and then each of them is called as a citione and citione. Citione means citizen, and citione and citizens. Traditionally, the people they were called, the noble people, they are monsieur or sir, and other people they were called madam. Instead of that, during the period of Robespierre, and he introduced everybody called it in the same manner, that is a citizen or citizen. That is citizen, all are same meaning. And churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or any other offices. And Robespierre pursued his policies relentlessly to all the people, and some of them means some of the people, they want moderation from the Robespierre's administration. And finally, he was convinced by the court in the year 1974 in July, and the next day is sent to guillotine. And this device, that's a guillotine, it was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented this machine. Here the summary. Robespierre, he was the leader of Jacobean club. Those people, they were against his methods, and those were against of the republic. He tried to court, and those were guillotined. And he made a lot of revolutionary changes. That is, all the bread and meat were rationed equal to all are eaten the same kind of food. There's a white wheat forbidden from there, and all the people they were addressed in equal manner, that is a citizen. At last he sentenced the neck on guillotine. The last topic, that is the directory rules in France and the decline of the Robespierre's administration. It paved way for new middle class to seize power, and the new government they were denied the voting rights of non-propertied class, and they set up for the administration purpose legislative council and a directory. The new government appoint two elected legislative council and one directory, and the one directory it consists of five executive members, and often there may be a clash between the legislative council and directory, and it paved way for the emergence of new monarchic leader, that is Napoleon Bonaparte.